Okay, that's not working. Anyway, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Trinity here. Thanks for stopping by. Anyway, I've got a spoon. And what do you normally use a spoon for? Sitting them on your nose? No. For eating things. And today, I'm going to give my reaction to this beauty. Rolo mouse. I'm joking, it's a rolo mousse. It does say mousse though, mousse, but you know. Oh, by the way, any Americans out there watching, I'm British / English, and we do not talk like this. Oh, my lady, come and have a cup of tea. We do not sit around eating crumpets all day. We talk like this. We talk like you Americans sometimes, without the American accent, like whatever. You know, sorry, I'm not trying to be racist. I'm not trying to like be offensive to any cultures or anything, but I was just trying to pull off an American accent. But obviously, I'm not American, so I can't do that. I'm British. I talk like this / English. If I was English, I would talk like this. I'd talk all my words out all properly, because you know, down London way, they just talk. They don't talk like me. They don't talk like this, like whatever. They do this. I am English. I am from London. I talk like this. I pronounce all of my words properly. We do not sit around drinking tea all day. Yes, we are a tea loving country, but we don't sit around all day. We have things like coffee. Yes, we do eat crumpets, but more down London way, where the more posh people live. The best bit. Literally been 2 minutes of me talking about crap. Feel free to just click off this video. At least I'll still get the view. Very dark chocolate here, but one more time to show you. It's really good. Look, I've about cleaned the whole pot out. Last bite. Come here then, boy. My dog's here. I shouldn't give it him because it's chocolate, but it's enough. You can have some after the camera's turned off. Anyway. Oh, come on then. Yumpy yum. Yay! Someone wants to be famous too. I'm gonna put the title as, obviously you would know, because you're just watching the video. But by now I've posted it. But at this point in time, in the live moment, I'm gonna call it "Me and My Dog Reacting to Rolo Mousse." Mousey, 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 mousey. You don't know if you're going down then. Don't go down. Get up, get up. Fucking do something. I'm gonna go. Goodbye, Zeus. I'm video recording shit.